Hello everyone, my name is Neeru. I am your computer educator. I welcome you all to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online classes. Today we are continuing the same chapter number 7, Microsoft Excel 2010. Let's start. So, moving around the Excel spreadsheet. What is this? Moving around the Excel worksheet means how we can move from one cell to another within the Excel spreadsheet using shortcut keys. So, firstly, we will talk about the four arrow keys: left, right, up, down. As the name indicates, left for the left cell, right for the right cell, up for the up cell, and down for the down cell. So you can use the up arrow key or shift plus enter to move one cell up. And same like that, if you want to go down cell, then you can use the down arrow key or enter key. And if you want to go to the right cell, then you can use right arrow key or tab key. Clear? If you want to move one cell left, then left arrow key or shift plus tab. You can use arrow key or these another keys. According to your wish, you can use those shortcut key. If you want to the beginning of that row, then home. But if you want to move to the beginning of the worksheet, it means I want to go to the A1 cell. A1 is the first cell of the worksheet. So that time shortcut key will be Control plus home. Clear? Move to the bottom right corner of the worksheet. Bottom right corner means whatever the highest row in column we have used, for this Control plus and shortcut key will be used. And if I want to go to the first row of the current column, then Control plus up arrow key. It means whatever is the column and it will go to the first row. First row means 1. If I want to go to the last row of the current column, last row means total row in Excel 2010 is 10,48,576. If I want to go to that last row, then Control plus down arrow key. And same like that, if I want to move to the first column, then Control plus left arrow key. If I want to go to the last column means first column means A and last column means XFD. So Control plus right arrow key. Move one screen down. Like for example, at one time 1 to 24 rows are visible at one page. So if I want to go to the down page, then we can use page down. Same like that for the up page up. And for example, A to K is visible at the one time. I want to go to the right side screen, Alt plus page down, and same for moving one screen left, Alt plus page up. We will do it practically also. Now after explaining this, we will do it practically, all these shortcuts. So the next one is types of data. How many types of data we can enter in Excel? 3: number, text and formulas. So let's discuss it. Numbers. Numbers are the values that consist of numerals from 0 to 9 and the character also, like plus, minus, ampersand, exclamation. These are also included in the numeric data. Excel also store date and time. Whenever you will write date and time, it will also consider as number in Microsoft Excel. Whenever you will write number or date or time, that will be right aligned. By default, alignment will be right. It means it will display at the right side of the cell. The next thing is text. Text data contain alphabet, numbers, space and special characters. Like if I have written A49, then it will consider as text, not number. Clear? So by default, text data are left aligned. It means when we enter the text in a particular cell, then by default it will display at the left side of the current cell. Formula. Formulas is basically used to perform mathematical calculation. It involves numbers, values, operator like plus, minus, all the things, and cell address. Like cell address means C5 equal to C5 multiply D5. C5 is the cell address. D5 is also a cell address. Multiply is the operator. So These are used to perform calculation on a worksheet. Don't forget this thing, formulas begin with the equal to sign. If we will write like this 5 multiplied by 7, so nothing will come. It will consider as a text only. So if you want to apply it as a formula, so you will write equal to 5 multiplied 7, or you can write equal to, if you want to use the cell address, equal to C5 multiplied by D2. Clear? So firstly you will put the equal to sign. The next thing is working with worksheet. How you can use the worksheet? In Excel worksheet, we can add, we can delete, we can rename, we can copy, we can move worksheet. How we can do it? What you will do, just right click. You can see this arrow symbol. Just you will right click on this sheet tab. When you will write on the sheet tab, it will display. It will display. So whatever you want to do, if you want to insert a worksheet, insert. If you want to delete it, delete. If you want to change the name, rename. Clear? And the shortcut key to insert is Shift plus F11. Now switching between worksheet. If I want to go from one worksheet to another worksheet, what we can do? We can use these buttons. We can use this button, or we can use the shortcut key also. The shortcut key for the next worksheet is Control plus page down, and the shortcut key for previous worksheet is Control plus page up. Thank you everyone. In the next video, we will do it practically. Thank you so much.